watermelon sugar, manja. Bye. Yeah, we're gonna discover what this is. Hold it closer, and I think it has dirt on it. It's not mine, so it must be our neighbor's. I figured out what that is, and now I'm gonna sit on a staircase. I'm at ladder. I'm weird, okay? For anybody that subs, I'm grateful. Yeah, if it's in my ear. Means hearts. Grateful who subs because I don't know if you would sub to a weird person like me. So thank you who subs. Bye.